Oh yes, that's a good one.
All right, guys, what's going on? Hey, it's your boy Manny B here with Skinny Water Boys. I'm out here with my boy Travis. We are targeting species that I normally don't ever target. Yeah, let's see what happens. Show y'all when we get some. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. About 11, almost 12. F it did. Hell yeah. Hey, Travis got another. A good one? All right. They're busting right there or what?
Yeah, they were busting right here, so I just pulled up and kind of waited for you.
Dude, that gator was huge.
You like completely up on the bank?
He was, and he started coming down into the water when he saw me. I was like, oh my gosh. Hey, maybe I should do attach these to my bungees just in case. Instead of to my actual.
Bad idea.
Huh?
It wouldn't be a bad idea. If they grab that, I mean, it's gonna flip you if it don't break.
Dude, yeah, it'll kill me. White crankbait.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go. Yes, sir. Hey. Hey, that's a little fatty.
Maybe it got deeper. Pull out the bigger one.
Maybe. Let's go, guys. You. Oh shoot. Hey, 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 hey. He's sliding all the way to the back. There we go. 12.75. Oh, you make your own? All right, guys. Travis got another one. Let's check that one out. Oh, don't lose him. Dang, dude, that's a good one. Let's go. Look at these guys. We got, what's that, 5? Yeah, 5 on the stringer so far. Hey, they're all over the place, but we're getting them. Travis is getting them. I got 2, he's got 4. I gotta catch up. So I'm using this white little crankbait. I busted off my rattle trap, so Travis hooked it up with a little white cranker. Deep dives about, looks like it goes about 6 to 8 feet with that bill. Check it out. I'm not a white bass fisherman, but hey, we're anglers. Look at that nice one. That's probably like a 16, 17.
Oh my god.
Whatever that was, bite this. Whatever the hell that was.
I think you're gonna immediately get spooled on that.
Whatever the hell that was. Freaking gator. Yeah, whatever that was will definitely spool me in a heartbeat.
Damn, I don't have a bungee.
Oh shoot. I mean, I don't mind putting it on mine. It's up to you. Dad, what the hell was that? A gar? Oh, there it is, whatever it is.
That was half the size.
Got him. Oh, that's a crappie.
Damn, that looked like a good one.
Dude, that's a big crappie.
Oh, it's a crappie.
Yes. Bro. I paused it and then I was like, I'm gonna pause it real quick and douche. Oh my goodness.
You hit it on the pause.
Hey.
Dude, that's a slab. Right?
That's a slab, boys. Mouth closed, 13 and a quarter. Bro, we're gonna meat haul now. We haven't really moved.
Nah, I think that right there where it landed when I started catching them. There's like a water right there.
Where?
I told you.
What?
I called it. I knew that shit. That was right there. I knew it.
Yeah, dude. What the hell? Look at that, boys. See Polk put in work.
Oh yeah.
12. Hell yeah. I even looked at all my stuff too, and I was like, I ain't gonna need it. I was like, I got like a rattle trap if I need one.
I told myself last night I was going strictly for big bass today. And then I was like loading my kayak up this morning. I had this
Oh yeah.
blue rattle trap. And I was like, yeah, man.
That's a good one.
I'll bring it just in case.
Yeah. Here we go.
Close that tree, right?
I threw on the outside that big limb hanging in the water. Back up. Guys, these are gorgeous. Let's see how big he is. Hey, 13.75. Oh! Almost lost him. That's 3 and you got 5, 6?
I don't even know, man. I got 2 plus whatever I got over there.
So yeah, 5, yeah. So 5 to my, and I got 3. Well, it's a crappie. Oh, I got bumped. I got hit up along this bank. Oh yeah! That's what I thought I got hit. I was like, I got bumped. Mm-hmm. Hey, I'm catching up. See? Hell yeah. Alright, what's going on, guys? Hey, it's your boy Manny B here. We're back at the house. I am freaking exhausted, but we're gonna knock out this catch and cook. because I'm freaking starving. Had a long day at the lake with my boy Travis Polk, and he caught 5 white bass. I got 4 white bass, and plus the bonus crappie, which was pretty awesome. Because I normally never catch crappie. I never target them really, honestly. It's always a bycatch, which again was a bycatch. I was throwing a little white crankbait, as you saw in the video. Got it right up. But what I'm gonna do is I'll probably cook. Damn, got something in my eye. I'm thinking about cooking the crappie and a white bass, just so we can, since I've never eaten either one. I've never had crappie and never had white bass. I know, it may sound crazy to you guys, but I don't know, I just never got to it. However, I am looking forward to trying them out. Stay tuned, guys, let's get on it. So the plan is, and bear with me, I'm freaking sunburned, tired, exhausted. It may not be 100% like, hey, but it's gonna taste good regardless. So let's get on to the ingredients, what we need, or what I'm gonna use, and then we're gonna cook it right up. So I'm gonna do 2 different ones. I'm gonna fry some of I'll probably fry the crappie, and then I'm gonna fry them both. Sorry guys, I'm gonna fry them both, but I'm gonna do them both different. I'm gonna do the white bass, a whole fish. I'm gonna, cook that, throw that in there, cook that whole thing, and then I'm gonna fillet the crappie up, and then we're gonna do that way. So we got our lemons, we got the flour. My buddy Ross showed me this one, a mustard, then, hey, you'll see, and then Enrique, hey, appreciate you, Enrique. And then what was it? And we got some oil, some cayenne pepper, and then some salt. So let's get to it. All right, guys. First, you gotta sharpen the knife. Whew, freaking exhausted, boys. We got wetness. So, like I said, I'm gonna fillet the crappie up, and then the white bass we're gonna cook whole. I gutted them over there, and scaled them over at the river. Not bad. What do you think? I think that's pretty good for someone who rarely catches fish and fillets them. Now I'm gonna clean up the white bass. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. Excuse me. Also, I'm gonna leave the skin on the crappie. It'll come off when you cook. Look at these little guys. Now that the white bass is cleaned up, got the crappie filleted, I'm gonna make probably 3 slits inside on the side of the white bass, just so it can fully cook inside, like so. Just like that. Look at that. Now for the crappie, I'm gonna slice up in 3, so I have like little fingers, second finger, or fish fingers, or something like that. Alrighty, so I'm gonna put the fish right here. Gonna get some little bit of lemon. Gonna let it soak here for a second. Do one side like that. Like so. Oh, what was that? Oh, I'm just getting some corn ready. Gonna put some corn. Yeah, a little butter. Last time I used way too much flour. Because apparently everybody is buying flour at the store. So I'm gonna put a little bit, not a lot. That'll be the last time I could do this one for a while until the stores re-up. So, you can get mustard and put it all over these little pieces over here of the crappie. Like so. So gonna lather it up. Got the oil going. Gonna heat up the oil real quick. I'll get back to y'all when it's getting on the grill. I put a long sleeve on, dude. Yo, that one was sketch. Just in time. Yeah, we got Terry B in the house. Yes, sir. Let's see this. Let's see this. Hey, we're about to put on some tortillas. Got a little fish tacos.
Come on.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, check it out right now. Hey, what do you think? Yes, sir. Hey. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Hey, come on. About to smack. Yes, sir. Come on.